How to cancel Base44 subscription. In this video, I'll show you how to cancel Base44 subscription. So to get started, go ahead and open Base44 on your browser and then make sure you're signed into your Base44 account. Now, in here, go ahead and click on your profile icon at the top right of your screen. And then under this, you'll be able to find the settings button. So click on it. And then on the settings, go ahead and head over into the plan and billing tab. And in here, you'll be able to find the current subscription where you're currently subscribed to. So if you're actually subscribed into a subscription, you'll be able to find the cancel button at the right side of the current subscription that you're currently subscribed to. So once you click on it, you need to confirm canceling your subscription. Now, once you have successfully canceled your subscription, you'll be given a certain amount of time to be able to use the account still. So you'll be able to use your Base44 account still, but it would be until the next cutoff of your payment for your Base44 subscription. So that is how you can basically cancel Base44 subscription. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.